Hello my dear 4th class students, welcome back to social class. A very good morning to all. Okay children, today we are recalling the lesson of water. So what I gave the records, all that now today I will recall each and every concept. So better you understand, see the videos and complete your book, smart book. So let's try 1, 2, 3 and 4 whatever in that book. Please complete, listen the videos properly. I am telling one more time what is the contents are there in the water lesson. The first is uses of water. The first one is uses of water. So you know what for we use water. See, we use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, watering the plants, all our daily activities. So you use the water is essential. Essential means important. We are using water for our daily activities. So that is the first concept we learn in our lesson. Then we move on to the second. Second is sources of water. Sources of water. Sources mean from where we are getting water. From where we are getting water. What are the sources? The sources are river, lake, pond, sea, ocean, streams, wells, water pumps, bore wells, tube wells. These are called all the sources of water. Sources of water is nothing but where we are getting water from. So what is the main source of water? The main source of water is rain. So if there is no rain, all these lakes, seas and oceans will not filled with water. So the main source of water is rain. Rest of others will fill by the rain. These are the sources of water. In the sources of water again we are divided into the two parts. One is the natural source and one more is the human made. So what are the natural sources? The natural sources are made by nature, not by the humans. Made by the nature, not by the humans. So what are they? They are river, lakes, seas, ponds, oceans, streams, all these made by the nature. Understood children? They made by the God and the nature. So that is called the natural sources of water. That is called the natural sources of water. Then we move on to the human source of water. Human means the people who made. The people who made. The people who made it is bore wells, wells and the tube wells. So bore wells is nothing but we dig the underground water. To take it underground water, we put the big pipes into the ground so that we can get the water, ground water. And the wells also dig. We should dig. The humans will dig and will find the well water. So that is called the human made. See what is the natural sources and human made sources. Then we move on to the forms of water. Forms of water. So we find water into three forms. We find water into three forms. That is nothing but the solid, liquid and gaseous form. Solid, liquid and gaseous form. Where you found the solid form in the water? That is ice, snow. So ice is the solid form of the water. So water is the liquid form, juice, milk, it is called the liquid form. And what is the gaseous form? Gaseous form is nothing but the steam. So when you boil the water, then what will happen? The steam will come, no? The steam is nothing but the water vapor. So this is the gaseous form of the water. Water forms into three types, that is called solid, liquid and gaseous. Understood? What is the example of solid form in the nature? So it is ice, snow, hail, small pieces of the ice. So what is the liquid form in the nature? It is water. Understood? What is the liquid form in the what steam gases form, but there is no natural form in the gases form. Okay, then we move on to the water cycle. Water cycle. So water cycle. How in the previous video you saw how water cycle will form. The first form is evaporation in the water cycle. Then after evaporation what will happen? It will happen condensation. Then condensation what will happen? Precipitation. So where in the precipitation we will get the rain. Evaporation is nothing but when the sun heats, the water heats with the rays of the sun, the water gets warm and it evaporates. Then it became condensation. Condensation is nothing but to form the clouds. So the clouds will cool it, and the precipitation is nothing but when the clouds became cooler and it formed like rain. So this is one water cycle. Then we move on to the how water reaches our homes. So how in the previous lesson topic we will learn how water reaches our homes. How the water will reaches our home? The government, the Jal Nigam, what they will send the water through the pipes. So what? They store the water into the big tanks and they will send the water through the pipes to our homes. Now the next 6 is how the farmers will get the water. So how the farmers will get water? The farmers will get water through the dams or through the wells or to the bore wells. In the previous video you know, once you open the video and see this all the concepts of water, uses of water, sources of water, forms of water, water cycle, how water reaches our homes, and how farmers will get water, and the dam and everything I explained briefly in the videos. So if you want to know about the water lesson, you see all the videos what I send, then you recall everything and please fill all whatever is given in the smart book. So no need to sit. If you have any doubts, we can clarify in the Zoom class. Okay children, I hope you understand the lesson of water. Children, okay, goodbye.